In this video, we will introduce you to the top 6 budget to best compact foldable walking treadmills 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 6 budget to best compact foldable walking treadmills 2026 on Amazon. Number 6, JAGJOG foldable treadmill with 15% auto incline, 8.8 miles per hour home treadmill, 300 pounds weight capacity, shock absorption, LED display, app connectivity and 12 preset workout programs. 15% automatic incline, increase workout intensity with adjustable auto incline settings for more effective calorie burning and endurance training. Speeds up to 8.8 miles per hour, suitable for walking, jogging, and running, making it ideal for users of all fitness levels. 300 lb weight capacity, durable steel frame provides stable performance and supports users up to 300 pounds. Advanced shock absorption system, cushioned running deck helps reduce impact on knees and joints for a more comfortable workout. LED display and app connectivity, track speed, distance, time, calories, and heart rate while connecting to compatible fitness apps for interactive training. Foldable space-saving design, easily folds for convenient storage, making it perfect for apartments, home gyms, and smaller living spaces. Includes 12 preset workout programs for varied training routines. The JAGJOG foldable treadmill is designed to deliver a complete cardio workout from the comfort of your home. Featuring a 15% automatic incline and speeds up to 8.8 miles per hour, it supports everything from light walking to high-intensity running. The sturdy frame supports up to 300 pounds, while the advanced shock absorption system helps. Number 5, FUNMILY upgrade WALKINGPAD folding treadmill, 3.5 HP foldable under desk treadmill with 12% per 15% incline, handlebar, 400 plus lb capacity, shock absorption, compact home and office fitness machine, powerful 3.5 HP motor delivers smooth, reliable performance for walking, jogging, and light running at home or in the office. 12%/15% incline training, adjustable incline levels help increase workout intensity, improve endurance, and boost calorie burn. Foldable under desk design, compact, space-saving. Treadmill folds easily for convenient storage under beds, desks, or in closets. Supportive handlebar and shock absorption, built-in handlebar enhances stability, while the shock-absorbing deck helps reduce impact on joints for a more comfortable workout. 400 plus lb weight capacity, heavy-duty frame is engineered to provide stability and durability for a wide range of users. Perfect for home, office, and gym, ideal for walking while working, daily cardio sessions, and maintaining an active lifestyle in limited spaces. The FUNMILY upgrade WALKINGPAD folding treadmill combines powerful performance with a compact design to help you stay active wherever you are. Equipped with a 3.5 HP motor. Number 4, WALKINGPAD 2-in-1 folding treadmill with handlebar, foldable walking pad for home and office, compact walking and running machine with LED display. Space-saving design. 2-in-1 walking and running mode, switch between walking and jogging to support daily exercise, cardio training, and fitness goals. Foldable space-saving design, easily folds for compact storage under a bed, sofa, or in a closet, making it perfect for apartments and home offices. Built-in handlebar provides added balance and stability for a safer, more comfortable walking or running experience. LED display for workout tracking, monitor speed, time, distance, calories burned, and other essential workout metrics at a glance. Quiet and smooth motor performance, engineered for low noise operation, allowing you to exercise without disturbing your household or workspace. Ready for home and office fitness, compact. Portable design is ideal for maintaining an active lifestyle while working from home or during daily routines. The WALKINGPAD 2-in-1 folding treadmill with handlebar is a convenient fitness solution designed to fit seamlessly into modern homes and offices. Whether you're looking to increase your daily step count, enjoy light jogging, or maintain regular cardio workouts, this treadmill provides the flexibility to support a variety of fitness routines. The integrated handlebar offers additional support and stability, making workouts more comfortable for users of all fitness levels. Its compact folding design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it an excellent choice for apartments, home gyms, and office spaces with limited room. The easy-to-read LED display keeps track of important workout statistics including speed, distance, time, and calories burned, helping you monitor your progress every. Number 3. Hccsport 3-in-1 Foldable Treadmill with Incline and Removable Desk Workstation, Compact Walking and Running Treadmill, 300 pounds capacity. Space-saving home office fitness machine. 3-in-1 walking, jogging and workstation design. Walk, jog, or work comfortably with the removable desk, making it ideal for home offices and multitasking. Manual incline function. Add workout intensity with an incline option to help improve calorie burn and cardiovascular performance. Foldable space-saving design easily folds for convenient storage under beds, sofas, or in closets, perfect for apartments and small spaces. Removable desk workstation. Transform your treadmill into a walking workstation for working, reading, or using a laptop while staying active. 300 lb weight capacity. Durable frame supports a wide range of users while providing stability during daily workouts. Easy-to-read display and compact build. Monitor essential workout data while enjoying a sleek, portable treadmill designed for home use. The Hccsport 3-in-1 Foldable Treadmill combines fitness and productivity in one versatile machine. Designed for walking, jogging, and working, it features a removable desk workstation that allows you to stay active while answering emails, attending virtual meetings, or studying. The manual incline feature adds extra challenge to your workouts, helping increase calorie burn and improve cardiovascular fitness. Built with a compact folding design, this treadmill is ideal for apartments, home gyms, and home offices where space is limited. Number 2. WALKINGPAD X Series Folding Treadmill for Home, Smart Vertical Fold Design, Compact Walking and Running Treadmill with LED display, no assembly required. Smart Vertical Folding Design. Innovative folding mechanism allows the treadmill to store vertically, saving valuable floor space in apartments and home gyms. Compact home fitness solution perfect for walking, jogging, and daily cardio workouts in small living spaces or home offices. Bright LED display tracks essential workout metrics, including speed, distance, time, and calories burned for real-time progress monitoring. No assembly required. Ready to use immediately out of the box with no complicated setup or tools needed. Quiet and smooth performance. Designed for comfortable indoor workouts with stable operation that's suitable for home environments. Modern space-saving construction. Lightweight, portable design makes it easy to move and store when not in use. The WALKINGPAD X Series Folding Treadmill is designed to bring convenient, space-saving fitness into your home. Featuring an innovative smart vertical fold system, it folds into a compact upright position. Number 1. WALKINGPAD Foldable Walking Pad Treadmill with Handlebar, 7.5 miles per hour compact folding treadmill, LED display, rotary speed control. No assembly required. Home and office fitness machine. 2-in-1 walking and running treadmill. Walk, jog, or run with adjustable speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour, making it ideal for daily fitness and cardio workouts. Foldable space-saving design. Compact folding frame stores easily under a bed, sofa, or in a closet. Perfect for apartments and home offices. Built-in handlebar for stability provides added support and confidence during walking or running sessions. LED display and rotary speed control easily. Monitor speed, time, distance, calories, and adjust settings with the convenient rotary control. No assembly required. Ready to use right out of the box, allowing you to start your workout immediately. Perfect for home and office use. Quiet operation and compact design make it suitable for small spaces, remote work setups, and everyday exercise. The WALKINGPAD Fold